push the hinge from the bottom using your four fingers of both hands. Just press it. Now you can see the hole like this. You can see the removed part like this. Now take the purchased cabin air filter. There you can see two parts. One is the filter and one is the cap. Cap is like this. Now put the air filter into the hole that you made short while ago using the paper cutter. Now take this cap which is given with the cabin air filter when you purchase it. Now place it on the open hole uh, which you have already put the cabin air filter and press it in order to lock it.